Christmas Salno Rugwi Khorang Salo Atharamura ni Bilaiham Amchaio Juge Lukurong no blanket Bakha Auxilium Girls High School ni Naikal Ozamaro Mansakha Auxilium Girls School ni Superior Sister Mary Stella School ni Principal Sister Albira Temongya Kami Blog ni Vice Chairman because Deber Makosong Amchaio Juge Lukurong ni Yago Kasangma Jorani Richum Yafare Riman Mani Bagai Khatong Thokjang Mani Kokshaka Auxilium Girls School ni Principal Sister Albira Abo Haikeno Auxilium Girls School ni Ochoba Mungnotiye Auxilium Girls School ni Sister Rockno Khakam Yapar Kamongya Kami Blog ni Vice Chairman because Deberma.
This is a joint venture of the solution cooperators and Auxilium. This actually is an annual program where we go out of our comfort zone to help people. Not just with this year, every year we had been doing. And this is not the only place. We had been going to different places in different years. And today we have come here to meet people of Bilaiham, to be able to help them. We heard that they are staying right down in the valley. They have come here on top of the hill to receive the help that we are giving. And the help that we are giving is not just from us, but it's been the contribution of so many people involving in it. The students, the teachers, the neighbors, the cooperators, the sisters, and all our people who have the goodwill to help others. And we are happy that our people have learned to help all. And so we are very happy to come here to be able to meet our brothers and sisters and be able to render them our help.
So designation
Sister Albira.
Telemura Nishmi Hiro Moni Koktum Chini Khorang.